What is happening, guys? Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video is all about the new Insta360 4X or X4, and it can do 8K and stuff like that. And I never had a 360 camera before, so let's unbox it together and see what's up. Some extra stuff. I got with me a selfie stick, a lens cap, and a heavy duty clamp. Ooh, like a remote controller. Interesting. Ooh, unplug the battery. Oh, SD card in there. Does it have any juice in it? Looks like it has some juice in it. Ooh. Okay, gonna do this later. What else do we got inside of this box? Think bold. You have to use the app, that's for sure. So what do we got inside of this? Nice little pouch with a grip cover, a little thingy to wipe your stuff with it. Looks like a USB-C cable. Not very interesting, to be honest. Some paperwork and very important lens covers. This is definitely what we need to protect the lens. That is something we need for sure. This is it's quite funny, huh? Just like that. Nice. I must say, a little bit of a boring part. Now we got lens cap. That was like a rubber silicone, indeed, just to protect it, which is actually pretty cool. What about the screen? The screen must be very durable, I think. Now we got the Action Invisible selfie stick. Okay, just then put it here, screw it on. Okay, that's quite nice to attach to your motorcycle, to your whatever you want, I guess. Heavy duty clamp. Oh, it's very basic, but it feels quite nice. Looks like we just open this, attach it, put a camera on it, put this even on it, make it longer. Yeah, all right. That actually concludes everything for the unboxing part. All right, so what you're seeing right now is now shot with the Insta360 with the single lens mode. I just wanted to see how it looks in a studio environment and what the sound quality is like. And this is really close to the camera, by the way. It's like my hand is like, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, like 2 hands apart from my face to the camera, so really close. And yeah, I'm gonna share you some examples, my first impressions. So far, I have to say, I have some thoughts here and there about this camera already. So here are also some examples after this video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy. And yeah, if you want to see the full review in a couple of weeks, make sure to subscribe to the channel, man. I have some doubts about this, but yeah. All right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.